Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 laptop stuck on hibernating screen. First method is remove the laptop charger plug, press and hold power buttons for 5 seconds. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Restart system. Third method is type edit power plan in Windows search bar, click edit power plan. Create new power plan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.